Anybody out there struggle with the sound of the letter Y at the beginning of words when it's being used as a consonant? Let's tackle that today. First, we're going to work on our tongue position. The sides of your tongue are going to touch your upper back teeth. Just put your tongue there for a minute. And then you're going to engage your vocal cords. Yeah, yeah. Here's a way to help you. Sometimes in English, we say, see ya, see ya. Can you practice that? See ya. That ya is the same sound you're going to use in words like yam, yellow, yield, yes, yippee. You've got it. Good job. If you have any other letters you struggle with, leave a comment and I'll work on pronunciation for those as well. See you soon.